Perched in the lush mountains of Puerto Rico, the Arecibo Observatory was once the crown jewel of radio astronomy. For over half a century, it peered into the depths of space, uncovering cosmic mysteries and inspiring generations. But what made this iconic telescope so special, and what led to its tragic downfall? In this video, we'll explore the history, science, and legacy of the Arecibo Observatory.
No wonder we couldn't see it.
The Arecibo Observatory wasn't just a scientific marvel, it was a cultural icon. Completed in 1963, it quickly became a symbol of humanity's quest to understand the universe. Its striking appearance made it a popular setting for movies and TV shows, like the epic finale of the movie GoldenEye, where James Bond faces off with Alec Trevelyan, or the climactic scene in Contact, where Jodie Foster's character listens for signals from aliens. That was in Arecibo too. But beyond Hollywood, the Arecibo Observatory made groundbreaking discoveries that reshaped our understanding of the universe. Its powerful radar and sensitivity allowed it to peer into the cosmos in ways no other telescope could, leading to some of the most important scientific breakthroughs of the 20th and 21st centuries. Building the Arecibo Observatory was no small feat. It was a monumental engineering challenge that required innovation, creativity, and a deep understanding of the natural landscape. The site was chosen for its unique geography, a natural sinkhole in the lush mountains of Puerto Rico. This massive depression provided the perfect foundation for the telescope's colossal dish. The dish itself measured an astonishing 305 meters or 1,000 feet in diameter, making it the largest single aperture telescope in the world for over 50 years. To create this giant reflector, workers laid down nearly 40,000 perforated aluminum panels, each carefully adjusted to form a precise parabolic shape. This design allowed the dish to focus incoming radio waves onto a receiver suspended above it. But the real engineering marvel was the platform. Suspended 150 meters or 500 feet above the dish was a 900-ton platform, housing the telescope's receivers and instruments. This platform was held up by 18 massive steel cables, anchored to 3 concrete towers surrounding the dish. Each tower was over 80 meters or 265 feet tall, and the entire structure had to withstand hurricanes, earthquakes, and the test of time. What made the telescope truly unique was its ability to move. While the dish itself was fixed, the platform could be repositioned to point the telescope at different parts of the sky. This was achieved through a complex system of motors and gears, allowing scientists to track celestial objects with incredible precision. Construction began in 1960 and was completed in just 3 years, a remarkable achievement for such a complex project. When it opened in 1963, the Arecibo Observatory was the largest single-aperture telescope in the world, which is a title it held until 2016 when the Chinese finished their FAST telescope, which is 64% larger in diameter than the telescope in Arecibo. In 1967, just a few years after its completion, Arecibo confirmed the existence of neutron stars by detecting the first known pulsar. These incredibly dense, rapidly spinning stars emit beams of radiation, and Arecibo's ability to detect their precise pulses revolutionized our understanding of stellar evolution. Arecibo also played a key role in planetary science. Using its radar capabilities, it mapped the surface of Venus, penetrating the planet's thick atmosphere to reveal its rugged terrain. This was a monumental achievement, as Venus had long been shrouded in mystery. In 1974, Arecibo made another landmark discovery: the first binary pulsar. This system of 2 neutron stars orbiting each other provided the first indirect evidence for gravitational waves, ripples in space-time predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. This discovery earned astronomers Russell Hulse and Joseph Taylor the 1993 Nobel Prize in Physics. Arecibo was also a pioneer in the search for exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. In 1992, it detected the first confirmed exoplanets orbiting a pulsar, opening the door to the study of distant worlds. Later, it helped characterize the atmospheres and surfaces of near-Earth asteroids, providing critical data for planetary defense. Beyond its scientific discoveries, Arecibo was a beacon for the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. In 1974, it transmitted the famous Arecibo message, a binary encoded signal beamed toward the star cluster M13, which was 25,000 light years away. While the message was more symbolic than practical, it captured the world's imagination and cemented Arecibo's role in the search for life beyond Earth. Despite its incredible legacy, the Arecibo Observatory faced a tragic end. Over the years, the telescope endured hurricanes, earthquakes, and funding challenges, but it always managed to persevere. However, in 2020, a series of catastrophic events led to its ultimate demise. It all began in August 2020, when one of the auxiliary cables supporting the 900-ton platform snapped. This cable, which had been in place since the 90s, failed due to wear and tear, causing significant damage to the dish below. Engineers assessed the situation and planned repairs, but before they could begin, disaster struck again. In November 2020, a second cable, this time a main cable, broke unexpectedly. This failure was even more devastating, as it put immense strain on the remaining cables and made the structure unstable. Engineers quickly realized that the platform was in danger of collapsing, and the National Science Foundation made the difficult decision to decommission the telescope. On December 1st, 2020, the unthinkable happened. The remaining cables gave way, and the 900-ton platform came crashing down into the dish below. The collapse was captured on a video, showing the dramatic moment when one of the world's most iconic scientific instruments was reduced to rubble. The collapse of the observatory was a heartbreaking moment for the scientific community and for the people of Puerto Rico. It marked the end of an era, but it also served as a reminder of the importance of maintaining and investing in scientific infrastructure. While the collapse of the observatory marked the end of an era, it doesn't mean the site's story is over. Plans are already underway to determine the future of this iconic location. In 2022, the National Science Foundation announced a call for proposals to transform the site into a state-of-the-art educational center focusing on STEM education and outreach. The new facility won't replace the telescope, but it will honor its legacy by inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The Arecibo Observatory was more than just a telescope. It was a symbol of human curiosity and a desire to explore the unknown. For the people of Puerto Rico, it was also a source of immense pride, standing as one of the island's most iconic landmarks. Its legacy lives on in the discoveries it made, the minds it inspired, and the stories it told. As we look to the future, new telescopes will take its place, but Arecibo will always hold a special place in the history of science. And now we come to the end of the video, where I tell you to like, comment, and subscribe. I had a lot of fun making this video. I remember coming here to the observatory on a field trip when I was a little kid, and I remember seeing the video back in 2020 of the dish collapsing and thinking it looked just like that dish from Battlefield 4, the map called, I think it was called Rogue Transmission. It like put a side-by-side video, it looks eerily similar. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.